everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Happy day 4 of saving six-ish dollars a day in August. I am bringing $12 a day, sometimes 10, it depends on the week. I know this first week I can at least do 12, but it might go down to 10 for a little bit, but I'm going to try to keep it to 12. So basically it means that I'm going to roll a D6, and I've been inspired by some amazing ladies in this community, and I wanted to do something that I could do along with my dailies, because this is what the video I do every day. I don't do kind of a long form video every day. So I thought this would be a great way to add a little bit extra to my daily savings while also saving for a specific category. And this category is my $1,000 for my 1,000th video that I did. So it's a freebie on my Ko-fi. You can save $100, you can save $1,000, you can save quarters, however you want to do it. I'm attempting the $1,000, and I would really like to reach that. I don't know when. I was going to say by the end of the year, but I was like, that seems like a lot. So whenever it happens. And I am now doing that in my Friday video. So I'm going to roll a D6. I'm still sticking with my Ursula. Let's see what we get. And then I just basically just circle a number, or circle a number. I circle, oh my goodness, slow down, Eva. I color in a circle to represent that I did that day. There's 31 circles on here for 31 days in August. Yeah, so let's see what Ursula does today. 2, all right. So we can put $2 in here, which means we're gonna put $10 into my dailies, which is kind of exciting. So $2 going in here. We're going to color in the circle. And that's $2 more going towards my $1,000 savings, which I think now brings this to $18. Just like that. All right, so now we know this is $2. So that's 2. So I need $2 more. And I think I'm going to keep it. Oh no, I don't have enough 50 cents. Oh no. Okay. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I see something over here that looks like a 50 cents. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that way I can keep it separate and super easy to. Yeah, those are 25 cents. I don't want to mix that up. All right. Yay, this is exciting. All right, so let's put our $10 in our bank. Okay, and then now we have our $6 in prop coins, and all the prop coins and dashboards are from Kimmy at Kimmy's Corner. So this is $6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we are just gonna mix these up in here. I feel like they're all next to each other still. All right, that's good enough. So now, thank you, Ursula. So now we are going to use our D3, and I am going to start at the paper clip, which is number 4. We are going to roll. It's going to tell us how many prop coins to put down. So 4 is getting 50 cents. Oh my goodness, that's a 2. Going to number 5. 1, 2, and 3 going to 6. Go back to 1. 1 for 1. 2 for 2. Come on. 1 for 3, that's okay. Try again. 3, love it. 2. Oh my goodness. Well, I'm taking it. 1, 2, and 3. That's number 6. So we're going to go back to 1. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1. 1. At least we get to go through a few times. All right, so that's number 5. 1 for 6. Oh my goodness. What a difference $4 makes. 1 and 2. 1. I have 2 more. And they are both going to number 3. So we will just start at number 4 again. Okay. Thank you, mushroom. Okay. So we need to go to 1. So number 1, we got 25, 25, 25, 25. So $1.50 going into number 1. We just needed 75 cents. So 1, 2, 3. So those are quarters. So yay, we finished this one from Mindy at SW Fanatic Saves for $4. Going to household. Correct. And then we need some. Let's do this little bundle from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. Look at how cute it is. It's like a little pool themed. So we've got goggles and like a little water gun. So we can do 75 cents. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is going to be $6. So each of these is 50 cents and these are 25. So we can do one of these and one of those. Okay. So that will go in here. Don't really need the paper clip anymore. All right, so 50 goes there and 25 goes there. All right, number 2. Okay, so we have $1.50 going into number 2. This one is from Saving with Sam, and we just needed 50 cents. So I'm going to put that 50 over here in the 50 cent spot. We're going to color in this, and we finished this one for $3. Yay! Reduce, reuse, recycle, and throw. Don't throw away. Okay. So this is going towards Walmart Plus. And it's $3. Okay. So we have a whole $1 we get to put into a new one. Oh my goodness, look at how cute this is. This is from the Millennial Saver. She did just change her name to Pennies to Possibilities, I think it is. So we can do a whole $1. I think this is part of the Summerween. It's the sweetest little, what's the word? Why are words hard sometimes? Mummy. Yeah, oh my God, that took way too long. All right, so we can do 4 of these. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Adorable. Pennies into Possibilities. I did write it down here, and that's going to go to Walmart Plus. I still only have my shark pen here, but it's always Shark Week, so that's acceptable. All right, so the 25s go into this spot. All right, number 3, we have 25, 50, 25, 50. So we have 175 going into number 3. Oh, this is mine. We only needed 25. So we finished this one of Sharks Going Back to School. You can get this free on my Ko-fi. It is going to Apple TV, which I found a Godzilla show called Monarch, and I'm loving it. Okay, Apple TV. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay. Okay, so so that was $1.75, so we used one of those. So we still have $1.50 to go into a new one. Let's go to our queue. Let's do another one from me. Why not? So each of these little clusters is 75 cents, which means each star is 25 cents. It will save us $3, and we can do $1.50. I'm going to use orange. So we can do 25, 50, 75, $1.50. All right, so the top row is done, and this is going to go to Apple TV. I just feel like I've written Apple TV 5 times. Maybe not. Okay, Apple TV is going into number 3, and this should be free on my Ko-fi. All right, so the 50 cents go here, 25 cents go here. Number 4. Number 4 got $1.50. And number 4 is from Save with Judy. All right, so we have $1.50, so I'm gonna get my yellow and do 6 suns. I'll be right back. All right, so this will save us $5. Let's just write dog supplies on here while we're here. That is so cute. All right, so the 50 cents goes here and the 25 cents goes here. Perfect. All right, number 5. Number 5 got $1.25, all 25 cents. This one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So $1.25. Oh, we just missed it. That's all right. So we have 25, 50, 75, $1.25. So we'll finish this one tomorrow for $5. Going into Shop Small. And these are all 25 cents. All right, and then number 6 got all the 50-cent pieces. Just kidding. So I got $1.50, $2, $2.50 going into number 6. Oh my goodness, what is number 6? Oh, my little bee one. This went out to my BFFs, and some didn't get it, so I put it on the Google Drive. So BFFs, if you're watching this, go read one of the posts that I probably did by now, because I am filming a tiny bit ahead. Okay, so we have $2.50. 25, 50, 75, $1, 25, 50, 75, $2, 25, 50. Oh my goodness. I'm going to color this in and be right back. Okay, I think I did that right. Hopefully. Either that or I colored in an extra heart because I was on a roll. I'll have to pay attention. All right, this one I am putting to the bee binder. All right, so we have these 3.50 cents go here and these 25 cents go here. Wow, we finished a lot today. All right, before we get all of our money, I want to make sure we have $4 worth of 50 cents. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Perfect. So now we can put 50 cents back here. Okay, and then we will put this up here in the spot for prop coins, and this will be our $6 that we use in quarters all the time. So now that we're at our bank, we need $4, $3, and $5. All right. So 5, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yay, I love this. This is fun. All right, so I'm going to scoot this out of the way. Grab my binder here. All right, so up first we have Walmart Plus for $3, which is all the way in the back. Okay, and then next we have Household is getting 4. Okay. And then Apple TV is getting 5. that is way up front here. Just out of curiosity, I want to see what we have in here. So we have 50, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91. We only need like $10 more, or $8 more, and that one will be fulfilled. And we don't need to do that until April 2nd of next year. So that will just go and sit in the bank, earn some interest while we wait. And then another category will be put here and focused on trying to pay a year in advance of what we need for our subscriptions. Okay, so that is that. We're gonna go back to the cow binder, and this I won in a giveaway from Sean at A to Z Budgets. She is super fun to watch. So day 4, and we have 4 circles, so that's correct. So then let's go back to completed, and we'll put these 3 in there. All right. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Please come back for day 5 tomorrow. I am looking forward to seeing how much I can do on my extra savings. And then I think at the end of the month, no, I'm still deciding. I don't know if I'll do it, pull the money like a couple times a month to fill it up on my Friday video. We'll see. But anyway, thanks for being here. I really appreciate you guys. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and see you tomorrow. Bye.